here we are learning how to remove backgrounds from images, or how to alter them, how to change them. So first of all, we make a selection of the given item. Let's say we have to take this woman out and change the background. So first of all, we make a selection of her like this. I'm using quick selection tool here to work very swiftly, and I'm just making the random selection. Okay, this hand also, and the feet. Okay, I think we're good to go. So I'll just cut her out by click pressing Control J. Okay, we have separated her on another layer. So if I move like this, she can move. And there is one other shortcut, Control T. Okay, this will give us the transform signs, and we can resize her as we wish. And if we want to do it free transform without aspect ratio, we have to just hold the shift button, so it will be like this. So I'll go back. So this was the control T command. And now let's say I want a plain background. So what I will do, I will just select a color. Let's say I wanted something like this green. So I'll create a new layer. Okay, and I'll press Control Backspace. Now you see the background has been changed. Okay, so also there is one tool, gradient tool. This option here is the gradient tool. We can have this gradient tool. It works like this. If you press and drag it like this, it's a gradient. Okay, you can have different gradients patterns here, and if you want to append more of them, just press any of them and then append it to the previous selection, and it will be visible here. Okay, and if you want to like alter some gradient, you just double click here, and you can adjust by clicking here and then dragging the center to here. Okay, you can enlarge the black area also. If you press here, you can just add another color, and if you want to change the color, you can just go like this. Okay, so and if you want to save that custom gradient, you just have to press save, and it will be saved in your selection. So this was gradient tool. In short, there are different options for gradient tools, like circular gradient tool. This is the angled gradient tool, if you see like this. And this is another option. uh, it's horizontal kind of, and it is the diamond pattern. Okay, if I do like this, you'll see more clearly it's the diamond. So you can also set the opacity and other options as well, you can see here. And so yeah, this is how we change the background. And if you want an image to be on the back of this, so what you will do, you will just go to that picture you want at the back of it, and I think I'll choose a picture from here. Okay, let's say I want this picture. I want this picture on the back of it. So I'll just drag the picture around here, and I'll just transform it like this. So now I want free transform. I'll do like this. I'll press the shift and change it. So yeah, here is it is here is it, it is how we change the background. We can also have uh, anything behind the woman as we wish, any picture, any sky, any other background as we want it. So this was it, how we change the background and how we alter it.